Okay, so sometimes when you want to delete your project, right? So you end up having a problem. For example, let me just go in to this next app that I have, okay? And let's say I go to the next app and I want to delete this. I do this, but it says there is an error, okay? There are resources that I need to delete first. So proper way to delete this is going into the project itself. So here what you do is make sure that your project is stopped. There will be a stop button here. If your project is deployed, click that to stop the project first, and then go to the bottom, go to danger zone, and then click on delete resources. The name of your project, you need to copy paste that in, okay, this name right here. Click continue and then type in your password. Click confirm. And now you can just go to your next app and then delete the project itself. Now you can create a new project. So I hope you like this short tutorial. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.